What happens to your body if you walk 30 minutes a day? Part 1. The first step is everything. Let's be honest. Starting is the hardest part. You've been sitting for hours, maybe days, telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But then one day, you lace up your sneakers, step outside, and take that first step. It doesn't feel like much, just a walk. But your heart rate goes up, your lungs fill deeper, and within minutes, your body starts to wake up. You're not just walking, you're telling your body, we're back in the game. Part 2. What happens in the first 7 days? The first week is all about small wins. You may feel sore, your legs might complain, but your brain, it's loving this. Your body starts releasing endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that kick stress to the curb. You sleep better at night, you wake up a little less tired. You might even notice you're in a better mood without knowing why. That's your brain chemistry shifting, and that's just week 1. Part 3. 2 to 3 weeks. Your body starts changing. By now, your body's adjusting. Your heart's stronger. Your blood pressure? Lower. Your pants might fit better because, yep, you're burning calories every single day. But here's what's cooler. Your metabolism is working smarter, not harder. And if you struggle with blood sugar spikes, walking helps keep it stable. This isn't hype, it's real science. Your body's not just changing, it's healing. Part 4. 1 to 2 months. It's a lifestyle now. It's been 30, maybe 60 days. You don't think about walking anymore, you crave it. Your body feels lighter. Your back doesn't ache like it used to. Even your skin looks better because better blood flow, better glow. People notice the change. They ask what you're doing. You smile because it's just walking, but it's also everything. Part 5. Long-term gains. The stuff you can't see. This is the part you don't see in the mirror. Your bones getting stronger. Your immune system on high alert. Your brain sharper than ever. Daily walkers lower their risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. And mentally, you're calmer, more focused. Walking 30 minutes a day is like medicine, without the side effects. Part 6. So what are you waiting for? We spend hours scrolling, sitting, waiting for motivation. But it's not coming from your phone, it's already in your legs. All it takes is 30 minutes. No gym, no gear, just a promise to yourself to move, to breathe, to live better, because every step you take is a step toward the life you deserve.